Been a while. Got my grandson here, Donovan, opening up some packs. Let's see what you got there, Dee.
Okay. Turbo booster. Overworked. Another turbo booster. Tricky spell 4. Mind over matter. Battle tuned. Silent Strider. And light wave tuning. And Kuno Ichi. I'm not sure if that's how you pronounce it or anything.
Cool. What we got in the next one?
So were there any of those silver streaky ones?
One was a rare. I don't think it was anything more than just a rare.
This one. This one was rare.
Which one is that?
Mind over matter.
This is the one rare card that was in there.
Yes.
Mind over matter?
Yeah.
And now another pack. This one has Oystermeister.
Oystermeister?
Needlebug Nest.
Mm-hmm.
Medium Piece Golem.
Oh.
Tricky Spell 4.
Here's the rare card.
Dark Resonator. Mind Protector. Synchro Deflector. Noisy Gnat. And Sword of Kusanagi.
Okay.
It was just a rare. It wasn't a ultra rare or anything.
The last pack. Another Oystermeister. Another Needlebug Nest. Another Medium Beast Golem. Another Tricky Spell 4.
Are you sure that's the third pack?
It's Anami.
This is the rare one.
Rare ones.
But it's not ultra rare, nothing.
Nope. Twin Shield Defender.
Oh.
Psychic Snail. Domino Effect.
Okay.
And Ganogo.
Cool.
Done.
And I want to say hi to everybody out there that's been subscribing to me and everything. And these are my two grandsons. There's another video going to go up. You might see it before this one. My other grandson, Alec. This is Donovan. You'll see Alec in his own special video. And maybe we'll open some more cards soon. Hope to see everybody soon. Have fun, everybody.
Bye.